see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work?
Okay, may golf competition. Kung maalala nyo na nag-grocery. Oh, what happened? Sibuyas na lang. Madali lang naman to kasi...
Can't you open it? Don't put rubbish on it.
What?
Do you eat prawns? Good morning! The next day na to, guys. Today is May 7 and we're on the way to Futi. So, continuation to ng vlog kahapon kasi wala naman ako masyadong na-vlog kahapon ata. And dala natin ang ating pansit. So, nag-init na ako, guys. Wala pa tayong wala pa tayong makeup or walang kilay kasi nagmamadali kami kasi maaga yung Futi ng mga bata. Hey, good morning, Han. Good morning. Good morning. Wala pa tayong lipstick, wala. Yung kilay natin ang nipes. Kain tayo. Kain. Holly, say good morning.
Good morning.
Good. Where are
Why are you crying?
Say good morning. Oh, they have a little argument. You know, they're kids. Nag-alas sila, guys. May little argument sila. Parang ano. Pinuhay-muta pa tayo. Okay na ba? Wala akong wala rin ang 7 pa lang, guys. 7:46. 7:46. Tawag nun, nag-moisturizer lang tayo, guys. Okay, kainin ko to kasi ininit natin to, guys. And tingnan nyo yung kuko ko. Wala pa tayong time. Hopefully, pagbalik namin, magpapaschedule na ako ng SNS. Ikain muna tayo. Ang lakas ng ulan, guys. Ayan, ang pangit ng weather, maglalaro yung mga bata. Basa talaga sila. Kuha si Kuya ng coffee. Magpapagas din kami.
You got water?
No, can I, Kuya, get me water as well?
Yeah, just walking slow, you're right. Here,
Bigyan ko
give me that
pa
one back.
patong.
Coffee, get a water.
Oh, I have 20 bucks.
What's that?
40 bucks.
You got 40 bucks?
Yeah.
Okay. Habang si Jan, gagas kain tayo, guys.
See?
What's that? If daddy needs more money, in-offer ni Sak yung kanyang pera kay daddy.
But I'm saving this for Queensland.
Oh, yeah, you're saving money.
In a month, we're going there.
You want some?
What is it? No, thanks.
Sa Holly?
Okay. What?
Pancit?
Oh, yes.
Come on.
I'll take off my seatbelt.
Ang sarap. Ay, namaputla pa ba? Iniwanan ko si Kyle kasi ang dami nating linuto. Nasaan po?
Yes.
Si mama, hindi ko na siya mafe-feed. Okay, you eat first here. Ikaw na muna. Ayan si Kuya. Basa. Hurry up, yeah. Tipirin natin yung SD card, guys. Kunti na lang ang space nito. Ha, baba?
Tashi, Mom got the water.
Eh, may dala akong
You got Mom?
garlic bread yung sa Philippines, yung
Mommy.
toasted. Yeah. Oh, that's a big water.
$5 because we don't need to stop and get
Oh, Mom, can you move them possums, please?
Alright, huh?
Can you move them?
Move that one. Can you put it there next to you, Kuya? Because I don't have space here.
Space. Put it next to your door.
Yes. Just drop.
I'll just hold it from there.
Wait, Dad, can I have
We're
the
done?
$5?
Okay. Okay, one more, Baba,
20
before we
back.
go.
Huh?
Have me $5 and I'll give you 20 back.
What for?
20 back.
Okay, put your seatbelt. Okay, we're going, guys. Dito na tayo, guys, ha, ng Worry. Dito maglalaro yung mga bata.
Oh, there's charging. Oh, Dad,
Malayo-layo din to, mga siguro 20 minutes. Pero on the way to sa, sa Adelaide, magbabay lang si Jan. $20.
What we got here?
$10
Yeah,
each.
thank
Okay, thank you.
mate.
See ya.
Entrance fee.
I'll pay you $20, Dad, back.
Wow.
Okay?
Alright, thank you. No, you said you're gonna save that money for. What's that?
Dad kicked his 100 goal on this goal post.
Oh, dito daw nakick ni John yung
Oh, did it
100
go
goal.
here?
Wala pang nakaka.
Dad, we're probably down this end.
Ano ba kay John? Si John pa rin. Ang nasa tawag nun sa foodie club, siya pa rin yung record. Wala pa nakakaroon ng record niya. How many years now, huh?
What?
Your 100 goals? How many years now?
21.
21 years? And still no one beat you?
Oh, bro.
Wow.
You got your fully booked up tight, Zach?
Yeah. Lubak-lubak
Go
dito.
warm up before you just go run out there like freaks.
Well, I'll run out there like a freak.
Just target steady.
Go, bro.
Run like freak.
Oh, that's Kate.
Ang
Where's
lamig-lamig.
Oh, no way. Brock's on it. That's Kate.
Ayun na yung mga kasama niya. Ayun si oh, Han, watch out. Look at that hair. Who's this kid, Han?
That's my friend.
Is that your friend? Look at, tingnan mo, uso ang mga ganyan na buhok. Why don't you have that kind of hair,
That's
Sa?
a mullet.
Yeah. You wanna try, Sak? Let's try, Sak.
No,
Why
you like
not?
Toby's told me, get a mullet. I'm like, nah.
Yeah, try. Oh, malut daw yung guys.
Stop
Yung ayaw nila. Did you have one back then, Bear?
it. Yes. No.
Dito si Ivy. Ando na yung dalawa, oh. Oh, sak yun. Warm up lang sila. Ang lamig, guys. Buti hindi dito umuulan. Dun sa may sa amin, lakas ng ulan. Lumabas ako, guys. Ang lamig sa labas. Tapos yung suot kong pants ay yung may mga sira-sira. Sabi ni Jan, I don't know why you buy jeans that's already ruined. Sabi ko, why? That's the style. So, pumasok ko. May leggings ako dyan. Palit ako ng medyas. Ito kasi yung medyas ko. Ay, hindi ko siya palitan. Patungan ko na lang siya. Ayan, patungan natin siya nito. Bago yan, guys. Di pa natin yan na susuot. Ah, di pa. Ay, hala. Ay, no. I need a scissor here. Wait lang. Ayan, guys. Natanggal na gamit yung lighter ni Johnny Boy. Ayan, lahat yan mga taga-bay. Siyempre, mga anak nila yung maglalaro. Dito maganda, oh. Labas si mahal na araw. Sa amin, lakas ng ulan. Yung pansit ko, hindi ko pa ubos, guys. Nag-warm up lang sila. Ayan, si Johnny Boy. Nagsipasukan na, guys. O, wala nang tao kasi umuulan na. Kawawa mga bata. May towel kaming dala sa kanila. Bumalik kami sa bahay para kumuha ng towel pala kanina, guys. Kasi grabe sa bahay, di ba? Lakas ng ulan ngayon. Umuulan na dito. Sana na. Wag malakas. Nag-start na, guys. And lumabas na ulit si Araw. And ubos ko na rin yung pancit. Ito na. Nagsilabasan na yung parents. Sobrang lamig, guys. And si Holly. Dito yung kanyang friend named Georgia. Hi, Georgia. Hi. Classmate niya rin si Georgia and friend. Nagka-coloring sila kasi dala lagi yan na ni Holly. Yan yung coloring book niya. Okay.
Mom, you're not even frosty yet.
Okay, yan yung mga bata. Alisin nga natin ito dito. It's ironic.
You want to do a different part? I finished. So this is the front, is it?
Labas tayo, guys. Habang hindi pa umuulan. Pero hindi tayo tatayo kasi sobrang lamig. Parang yellow. Mapudla tayo. Wala tayong lipstick. Oily ang lips natin dahil sa pansit. Dito na tayo sa lapas. Go, Zach! he tried.
Yeah, pull back to enjoying it.
Oh! Oh, good job. Ang lamig. Tapos na yung first quarter, guys. So, dito na magkikik yung mga bata. Kanina, doon sa kabila. Ngayon, dito na sila. Ay. Go, Zach! Oh, good job. Pinasa niya kay kuya. Ay, hindi pa ba dito? Akala ko dito na yung ano nila. Mali pala, guys. Hindi pa sila dito magkikik. Doon ulit sila sa kabila. Si Zach kasi nandito na. Akala ko ano na. Nag-change na sila ng ano. Goal pole. Tapos na, guys.
And tackled me and then it hit my ear so hard.
I know.
You didn't see, you were barely out there watching me.
Yes, I did. I did. Hindi ako masyado nakapag-vlog kasi muulang kanina. Lucky you're not that wet. They won. You won, right? How many
They were
points?
vlogging us in the first quarter.
Though, yeah, the first quarter sila talaga yung kabilang team ang nananalo, pero
I didn't get one because
yeah, you didn't do much. TJ did.
Yeah,
Kuya. And Kuya is playing under 14 now. Yeah. Si Kuya rin talaga right after nila si Kuya maglaro siyang under 14. Ayan, dito naman si Kuya, guys. Oh. Sa under 14, guys, yung goal post nila from here, yan, up to the end. Doon talaga. So, mas parang adults na talaga sila. Kasi kasi kanina hindi full yung hindi full yung oval. Medyo a little bit half. Naiintindihan niyo ako. Kasi naglalagay sila doon na parang division kung saan lang pwede yung team nila sa kanina, yung age ba ni Zach. Pero sa under 14, buong talaga, buong field. Hindi lang natin makita si Kuya kasi nandun si Kuya sa pinakadulo. Tumigil yung ulan kanina, umuulan. Buti na lang. Hindi siya masyadong guys. Nakaporma.
got one kick.
Si Kuya naglalaro siya, guys, hindi para sa Portmac, kundi sa isang team. But is Kuya going to that team afterwards? Oi. Daddy.
Ollie might want something too.
Honey. Is
What?
he just gonna go in this team later?
He should.
He should.
Here's Zach.
Kasi kulang ng team yung kabila. So doon muna linagay si Kuya. Si Kuya na talaga kung saan lang nilalagay. Si Kuya. So kalaban niya yung yung town namin at town. Yung yung Portmac. So sa kabila siya, dito siya naglalaro sa Nangwari. Ano ba yan? Utal-utal. Pasensya na, guys. Nasobran ako sa tulog. Pag sobrang tulog ko, pag kulang ang tulog ko, parang pareho lang. Ayun, si Kuya, doon siya sa Nangwari team, hindi sa Portmac. Si Kuya talaga kung saan talaga nilalagay. Tapos, hindi pa nagtatapos dyan ang game ni Kuya. Bukas, may golf competition siya, guys. Kaya tayo pupunta sa Adelaide kasi may golf competition si Kuya. Kumuha lang si Saksha kasi Holly ng food. Nagugutom daw sila. Pero si Holly, pinakain ko siyang pancit. Si Sak, wala siyang salang kinain. Ayaw naman nila kumain, guys, pag ganito maglalaro. Kasi sasakit daw ang tiyan nila. So, after na lang sila, after ng game, saka sila bibili dito. Kaya, ayun. Humingi sila ng pera kay Jan. And hopefully hopefully si Sak, wag ubusin yung binigay na pera. Tingnan natin kung anong bibilhin nila. Ayan si Kuya. Naka-white si Kuya. Is umuulan na naman.
Where you playing? TJ. TJ.
Still nang worry. Ayan si Kuya. Ayan si Kuya. Bakit blurry? Ayan. Where he playing now?
Fall back.
No, where? Nang worry or Port
Nangwari.
Nang worry still. Andito na si Kuya dyan siya, oh. Kaso nga, ayan, thank you. Naka-white si Kuyang top.
Still in here, that fly.
I know, the fly. May langaw. Kanina niya pa yung pinapalabas, pero ayaw lumabas. Ayan na yung dalawa. Mayroon silang fries. Oh, basa na rin. Hurry up, Baba! Run!
You need to hold this one.
Hop in.
Hop in. Go. Come on, Baba.
Hop in, Bobby.
Oh, finally!
And chips. What you got? Chips and gravy.
Chips and gravy, check.
Fine, that's mine.
This is mine.
Fine, these are mine.
Hey, hold.
Hold him.
Nisak may gravy. Good?
Yeah, my hot dog.
No hot dog.
Where's my chips? Oh.
No hot dog.
Yeah, hot dogs.
Do you like your haircut, Zach?
Yeah, they got no line this time.
Yeah, why? Forgot?
Zach didn't want it.
You don't want it. You don't want the line.
No, it's off. Hey, check.
I have to show you something, Zach. Ngayon ko lang to nakita. Ganun talaga ako ka-busy.
What?
I show you something. Tito Dan greet you. Have you seen this? Oh, not that one.
Happy birthday, Zachary, from myself,
Look,
Rachel,
dead,
Owen, and
man.
your future wife. Happy birthday, Zachary. Happy birthday,
Okay, look, Zach.
Chips everywhere.
Zachary, from myself, Rachel, Arlo, and your future
Look at Hyla smile.
She's cute, isn't she,
Yeah.
Papa?
She is cute. How cute. I really like she for Isla.
And then,
And you.
Alright, try, Ronnie.
Okay, where's Kuya? Ayan si Kuya.
have these little.
You're not getting a lolly then.
Fine.
Oh, he's Tyrone.
Go, ya. Wipe it, hun. Please.
No, you're not gonna get it.
Han talaga. Andun naman yung bola sa kabila.
Wait,
Ah, ayan si Kuya.
Dad, you got one.
JJ, you know you don't have to wear a helmet, you know, JJ?
It's alright. So, ang Portmac lang ang mayroong helmet pa naglalaro. Which is good para maprotektahan yung kanilang
So
ulo.
good, I got a
Kasi very rough kaya tong game. Sa ganitong age,
Oh, here,
hindi
guys.
pa. Go, ya. Go, ya. Go. Wipe it, babe. Wipe.
Jack, can you throw this chip out? It fell on the floor.
Okay na. Han, wipe the car, please. Yeah.
I'm more than having 12. What?
Finish it.
Si Kuya, hindi niya alam kung ano, i-cheer niya yung kung saan siya naglalaro o yung ka-teammate niya talagang totoo.
Did you just eat that chip?
Han, can you throw this one, please? It's dirty.
Why?
It went to the floor. That one, what's that, babe?
The ignition's on.
Okay. Ayun si Kuya, oh. Yan si Kuya yung naka-white. Andito yung friend ni Holly, si Georgia.
Chip on here.
You want some? So want some chips? Go. Get some. Muulan. Hindi na sila makapaglaro sa labas. Kanina nag-ano sila. Naghahabulan. Ayun, nakapayong na siya. Kinuha ni Jan yung payong niya. Payong niya sa ano, pa nag-golf siya. Kasi tingnan nyo guys, di na natin makita, oh. Ang labo-labo na ng, yan, yung walang wiper. Enough na ni Jan. Dito na naman siya guys. Humingi ulit siya ng pera para pumili ng dessert. Magkilay na kaya ako guys. Haggard na ako.
Who took the photo?
Wala tayong kilay, ha?
Who took that photo?
Oh, pinakita ko kay Sak. Tingnan nyo si Sak. Insert ko siguro. Pag naalala ko, guys, ha? Ayan, nung 5 years old si Sak. And ang lit pa ni Holly. Pinost ko ba sa Instagram. Follow me guys sa Instagram. ChonaAndMyKids. How about you? Do you have any account? Where they can follow you? Chona and?
My kids.
My kids. Basang-basa na si Kuya. What's this? What do you call this? Wait lang.
Curly whirly. Look.
Curly whirly. Masarap ba? Is it yum?
Yeah.
Binigay niya sa akin kasi may isa pa siya. Parang siyang caramel? Is it caramel? Caramel coated the chocolate. Yeah. This marami siyang na-discover. Yung honey chicken. I love that. Yeah, because of you. Naman, ito masarap.
Here we go.
Wala pa tayong kilay.
Bad luck, boy.
Tapos na. Goal sana. Kaso na-hit yung pole. Who won? Who won? Yeah. Who won? Si Kuya. 2 more quarter. Si Kuya nag-kick. Bago mag-horn. One more go. And then, goal sana kasi tumama sa poste. Tapos naabutan pa siya nung siren. This is nice. Dito ulit si Georgia. And may dala rin siyang lollies. Yeah.
Where's my? Oh, you're sitting on my curly whirly.
Curly whirly. Hinaram ni Sak yung phone sa daddy niya.
Bubblegum.
Dito ulit si Georgia. And may dala rin siyang lollies. Yeah.
Where's my? Oh, you're sitting on my curly whirly.
Curly whirly. Hinaram ni Sak yung phone sa daddy niya.
Bubblegum.
Hadley, you want some lollies? I think Georgia will share her lollies to you. Are you gonna share your lollies to her? Oh, good job, love. Sak has it.
Give it a sec. Hello, kids.
Hello, kids. We have
Got lots of kids in the back of the car today.
Yeah.
There's 1, 2, 3,
4. We're 4. 1, 2, 3, and Zach.
No, there's 1,
Yeah.
2,
3 girls and 1.
5.
Oh, 5. Yes.
It's you.
You're 3. Okay. How old are you, Georgia? 5. 4.
Yeah, 5.
Same as Holly.
Turning 6.
Yes, you're turning 6.
Tomorrow,
No.
no. When am I? When it's my
September. Yeah. Relax lang sila dyan. Say smile. 1, 2, 3, smile. Ang cute. Ayusin ko yung ni Holly. Yung kanyang texture. Ang ganda nito guys kasi kiniklik mo lang. Sama-sama na sila. Ayan, oh. Kasi kanina nag-coloring sila ni Georgia. Hindi ko alam kung na-vlog. Yes, of course, love. Go. So, ayan na siya. Ayan na siya, guys. Madami to, pero ito lang yung colors na kinuha ni Holly. O, diba?
I want to do that one.
What's that?
I want to do that one.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you, Zaki.
Let me take some out.
So, yeah. Then put it here. Yeah, put it here. Thanks, Kuya Zach. Yeah. Then, close it.
I got my own.
Oh, you got your own lolly. Okay, kumuha siya ng lolly niya din. Okay, can you sip this, please? What's that one? Is that the one that pop? Cream pop, yeah. Where's the other kids? Okay, doon na sila sa labas. Tumigil lang yung ulan. Yeah, you come back later when it's raining.
In the
Tapos na siya, guys.
in the under 14.
Yeah.
I didn't say
I
that.
kicked one down there. Even though it's Caden and Charlie and that.
Or how did you kick it? Snapped it or?
Nakakick si Kuya ng goal sa kalaban nila. Doon kasi siya ngayon eh.
Last one when he balled it up.
I don't know.
I thought it looked high from there, but he just balled it up. He nearly got her. So he did kick one in there.
Yeah.
Who you go for, Kuya? Port Mac or Nangwari?
I had to go on the
Yeah,
other
that's
team.
all right. Don't matter.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Who won? Who won? Nang worry or
Nah, poor Max flogged them.
yeah, Port Mac ang nanalo, guys. Yung team ni Kuya kung saan siya sumama, talo. Pero nakakick si Kuya ng goal. Nag-share siya ng goal dun sa kabilang team. Mag-change na sila.
There.
Holly, hurry up! Come on!
TJ, come on!
Come on! Ang lakas na ng ulan. Lakas na ng ulan. You're wet, Baba.
You're dry.
Come on, hala. Biglang lumakas yung ulan.
We're going
Hello?
now, Georgia.
We're going now. We're going home na
See you
lang.
later.
See you later. Papasok po siya.
Charlie!
Okay. Yay, panalo yung
I'm soaked.
under 14 and what's
kicked
yours?
the goal.
I know.
Hey,
No, I
where's
did-
the bin? Put that in the bin.
What, just there?
No, your team for Zachary.
No,
What?
did I kick a goal here?
No, you hit the post.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
No, you kick one up that end.
Ah, that's
No,
different one.
down
They
there.
both.
It went in. It went in, Mum. It didn't hit the post.
All right. Good job, yeah. What grade is Zachary?
Just littles.
Oh. Then under 14, both of team
my head
won.
hurts.
What are you doing, mate?
I just wipe
Dry myself.
drying.
Oh, we're going?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going. So siguro i-close ko na yung vlog dito. Kasi yung vlog natin kahapon
Had
tsaka
no
eto.
water.
Huh?
Had no water.
Tapos balik ako parang live lang. Balik ako para sa another vlog. Say goodbye now. Say thank you guys.
Close that.
Thank
Put
you.
that close the mirror, bud.
Huh?
Close the mirror.
Oh yeah, wait. I'm not done. Say bye-bye now. Say bye guys. Thank you.
Bye, guys. Thank you.
Look at them, Zach. Oh my God. Are you gonna feed?
Fine.
Oh.
Dad, we absolutely flogged them. We're in the top 3 now. Dad.
Zach, close the vlog.
Oh, Dad,
Thank you
Dad,
guys.
do you know what I'm doing? If the Bay makes it to the finals, I'm playing.
Yeah.
Oh, we have Robe.
Kuya, dry yourself. You're so wet.
Who do we have next week? Robe.
Look at that,
Oh.
you're gonna get wet.
Oh yeah.
Did he kick one, Smitty? Oh, I didn't even see it.
You missed it, did you?
Hindi
Yeah.
namin
Told
nakita.
You got one.
I seen that, we had that chance, but the bell went. But I didn't see him kick that one.
I said to him, next quarter you want to do one, but make sure it's before the siren goes. So you got it.
Yeah.
Oh, alright, see mate.
So was in that one?
Yeah, you gotta go up this end.
Ah, good job,
Oh,
yeah.
Dad, guess what?
What?
It's on your end that you kicked your 100th goal.
Yeah.
See, Dad, Mum, I'm Dad now.
You got number 2 too. How's that?
You have number 2
Yeah.
in 14 grade. Oh, number. So that's yours now.
There's
Oh, I
boys.
said bye-bye.
Bye, boys. Open the window.
Hey, Max!
Si Jan kasi ang number ni Jan, the whole life, right, Han?
Well,
Kick
it's
out
12 and then 2.
12 and 2. But
So, Dad,
you end up
this
2.
was alright.
Ngayon si Kuya, number 2 sa 14, under 14 that one, right? Under 14. But for Zachary, you're number 1. Both of you number 1. Paano sila number 1
There's
sa,
Kato.
sa team ni, ni Zach? Nagulat sila.
Hey, what are you doing, boy?
Yeah! Ang saya ng mga bata.
I thought Jagger's like, oh, I'm not in my car.
Alright, i-close na namin tong vlog, guys.
That's George's dad there.
Where? That one? That's, oh, ang layo. Ang layo ng car ni Georgia. That's why Georgia is with us. Ang layo. Nandito sila sa kabila. Nakapagkilay na tayo, guys, pero wala tayong cushion. Di pa ako naglagay. Gagamitin ko yung aking paborito. Yung lights, camera,
I'm gonna
action.
head out.
So, end ko na yung vlog.
Yeah,
Balik kami
let's
mamaya.
get
Balik ako mamaya. Kasi, punta na tayo ng Adelaide. So, yun na guys yung vlog natin. Kahapon, yung birthday ni Sag, saka eto. Continuation. So, yun na guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you later. See ya!
Bye.
Bye, 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 bye,
What did this
guys.
happen when I